Checkboxes are great, but I am losing track. I want to see exactly how many tasks are finished. Let's build an automatic counter at the top. We will use the COUNTIF function. First, select the checkbox column. Second, tell it to count only true values. Hit Enter. Now watch the header. Click 1. Click 2. But let's make it look cooler. Add some text in quotes and use the ampersand symbol. Now it looks like a real app. But wait, done 3 is not enough. We need to see the total count. Let's expand the formula. First, let's join a visual separator. Use the ampersand to connect a slash symbol. Now connect the COUNTA function. It counts all tasks in your list automatically. Important: remove the row numbers to include future tasks. Hit Enter. Look, 3 out of 12. Let's verify. If I add a new task, the total updates instantly. Now this is a dashboard. Subscribe to upgrade your sheets.